And we're back, and the job's almost finished. The floor is down, or I should say the floor of the sleeping area is down. It's all screwed. Uh, got the old tools there. It gets a little tricky with these stainless steel screws. Uh, these your your drill bits have to be almost exact. You gotta have to get a vernier to match the proper size. Otherwise, you'll break them off. The first attempt I had there, you see all the holes in it, and I still got to screw some more, but at least I got they're 10s by 2 inches, and at the edges they're 2 inch. No, they're 10s by inch and a half, and at the edges where you can see the see that little mark there. That's one of the runners, and you got a runner on the other side there. And so the one in here on the side, I'll just go ahead and screw it down to I don't know if they had a runner over on that end over there. So anyways, but this is the basically the job done. I left the airspace there so that condensation wouldn't bother too much, but I don't know, I might fill it in later with just pieces. So, but anyways, that's it's pretty sturdy. It's strong as heck now. I don't have a problem laying down on it. It doesn't sag. You can tell it's pretty strong right now. And as a matter of fact, I could probably jump on it and do some damage to the outer shell of this thing. So there's some little bit of clearance there that I gotta suck all this up, but I need some more screws. I ran out of screws. So anyways, so the next thing is I'll put the cabinets back in, and I rebuilt the cabinet to my left. That one's all beat up. The cabinet to my right, that right, is it's in good condition, so I just have to rebuild the cabinet and put some backing on these cabinets, put some backing down at the bottom, and screw all that together. But I ended up, these were cut with an oscillating saw. Did a pretty good job of cutting it, actually. So, but well, I guess being a millwright doesn't hurt, huh? Being a millwright and a carpenter for years and years and years doesn't hurt. But anyways, this one, when I tore up the cabinet, I got a little carried away. But I'll put a splice on this, and that'll be the end of it. I'll put something on there. But as you can tell, it's pretty neat tool. It's pretty even. So all I gotta do is put some trim on there, and that's it. So next thing is I'll put the cabinets in it and put the bed back in it, and on to the back end of this thing. I'm fixing it. Okay. Well, I'll talk to you later there, carpenters. Campers. Okay, bye.